What's up, my individuals? How are you guys doing? I know you guys see these new white tees looking clean, looking fresh. I'll put the link down in the description just in case if you guys want to cop one. Alright, so today I have nine nighttime habits that you guys should be doing every single day. And before I jump into this, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. It helps support my channel. Alright, so number uno, take a bath with some extra bubbles. No, I'm just kidding. However, taking a warm shower before you go to bed definitely calms you down. It relaxes your mind. I personally like to use my steam spray by Travertine, which gives you that, spa type experience. Plus, being clean in your own bed helps you achieve clearer skin, because when you're running around all day, getting all sweaty, and then you go straight to bed, all those extra oils and bacteria are getting all over your sheets, are getting all over your pillows, and you're just sleeping in that, and therefore it can, cause more acne. Number two, grooming the night before. Some dudes like to do it in the morning, they like to shave right before they go out. I get it, you feel extra fresh, you feel extra clean. However, grooming and shaving and doing that all at night, the night before, it definitely saves you time the next morning. So a great company that does it all and that will take care of all of your grooming essentials is Dollar Shave Club, which is also today's sponsor. I've been using them for years, no joke. Anything you need to look, feel, and smell your best, they got you covered. Me personally, I just ordered all of these Dollar Shave Club products that you see here. We got post-shave, toothpaste, hydrating body cleanser, face cleanser, hand cream, lip balm, and their starter set, which you can get the starter set for yourself exclusively for only $5 today by visiting dollarshaveclub.com/Dre. It includes a bunch of stuff like a really good smelling body wash, flushable moist wipes for all of you poopy dudes, a top of the line shaving kit, and the Mel magazine for all of you dudes who be in the freaking bathroom taking freaking ancient years. For years I thought Dollar Shave Club was just a shaving company, but turns out they got all of your daily essentials, and on top of that, everything that you receive from them is great quality at an affordable price. I mean, honestly, you guys, you're gonna get hooked up when you go with Dollar Shave Club, so no worries there. And again, if you wanna try out their starter set, you can get it for only $5, that's it, by visiting dollarshaveclub.com/Dre. And of course, after your first box, you can get replacement cartridges sent to your house for only a few bucks a month. So I'll be sure to put the link in the description below for you guys. Number three, this is a good one. Have bigger carb meals at night. Now this is something I've been doing a lot lately, and that's, restrict my carbs just a little more throughout my day. So that way at night, I can go ham, dude. I can eat way more carbs at night because I didn't have that much throughout my day. For example, if you're trying to lose weight or stay nice and trim, it can be hard to go to sleep at night because you may be really hungry. I mean, for me personally, there's been so many nights where I'm cutting, and I'm just laying there in bed and I can't go to sleep because I'm so hungry. However, if you have smaller meals throughout your day with lesser carbs, this enables you to have a nice big meal at the end of your day right before you go to bed with more carbs, because carbs, they give you that satisfying feeling. You feel nice and full, and when you do this, you'll just feel a lot more satisfied, and that will enable you to go to bed and get a nice restful sleep. So that's just my opinion, you guys, and I'm not saying to wait all day and eat all your carbs at night because that can spike your blood sugar, but I'm just saying eat a little bit less carbs throughout the day, and then at night you can have just a little bit more carbs to give you that full satisfying feeling. And of course, eat healthy, you guys. Have those healthy carbs, those healthy fats, along with your protein. Your health is most important. Next up, read personal development books. Now, whenever I have those nights where I can't sleep and I just got so much on my mind, I'm thinking about so much, I like to read a personal development book, even if it's for 5 or 10 minutes. What that does is it calms your mind and it has you focus only on one single thing, that book that you're reading, rather than, thinking about what you gotta do the next day, stressed out of your job, your work, and all these things you gotta do tomorrow. So when you focus in only on that one thing, that specific book, it starts to calm your mind down, and therefore you're gonna feel a lot more relaxed. Number 5, melatonin. Now, before taking melatonin, I would encourage everyone to just read up on it, make sure you know what you're taking. Melatonin is a pill that helps you fall asleep, and the thing I like about it is melatonin is a natural hormone within your body, and that's what helps you fall asleep at night. So this pill is a more natural way of, taking a supplement to help you fall asleep. I don't take it all the time, however, when I do take it, the thing that I like about it is that it doesn't make me feel drowsy, me personally, which I love. Number 6, plan your day. It's simple. Successful people, they plan ahead. I mean, of course you can do this in the morning, that's perfectly fine. However, planning your day the night before, this allows you to get a less stressful sleep. Knowing that you have everything organized for the next day, put your mind at ease, and therefore you can go to bed knowing that you're gonna have a super efficient day tomorrow. Also, when you wake up the next morning and you see that schedule, this allows you to go straight into effective mode, ready just to conquer your day. Number 7, have a great skincare regimen. You guys may have heard me say this before, but your skincare regimen at night is so crucial because you need to be feeding your skin what it needs so it can repair itself throughout the night. I personally love high quality products from top-notch brands such as Travertine. Most of you guys know that, and if you want a 10% off discount code for Travertine, I'll be sure to put that in the description below for you guys. Number 8, clean your room. Not only will cleaning your room at night just get you a little bit more tired because of the extra work. However, when you go to sleep in a nice and clean environment, this allows you to feel more relaxed and more accomplished, knowing you're keeping up with all your household priorities. And for those of you that are single, this is a very healthy habit to get into and to start, because when you get married and you're with your wife, she's really gonna appreciate a dude who stays nice and clean and who doesn't live like a complete slob. And the last one, number 9, is meditate or pray. Now, like I said previously, you can do this in the shower where you feel most relaxed. That's what I usually do. But getting your mind in a positive state after a super stressful day is what we need as humans to stay sane. I mean, have you ever seen a person who's just super stressed out all the time and super negative? Well, more than likely, these people aren't taking the time to just stop for a second, to wind down, to just have some peace and quiet, and to pray and meditate. Me personally, I like to sit in a quiet place like my shower and just pray and thank God for all the blessings, for all of this great stuff that I have in my life, because at the end of the day, we got it made. I mean, if you're sitting here watching this on a computer or your freaking sweet iPhone or Galaxy, Samsung, whatever, I mean, you seriously got it made. There's so many kids out there in other countries that don't have those luxuries. They don't have these advantages. I mean, they're out there just struggling to get a meal in for the day. There's kids out there that wish that they just could have a glass of water, a roof over their head. So staying in a grateful state of mind is mandatory for being effective in the world. By the way, my clothing/community brand, Individuals, is all about helping those in need. And so for every purchase that you make at individualsclub.com, we give 5% of all of our profits to Feed One, which is an organization that I have supported for about 5 or 6 years now. And they actually go out and feed kids out in all different parts of the world. So all of you thousands of individuals that have helped support me and the Individuals Club, I really appreciate all of your love and all of your help. Which reminds me, right now is time for the Individuals Inner Circle shout outs. So right here we got Dylan Kyle 2001. I really appreciate all of your kind words, man. It means the world to me. Next up is Sunny the singer, and lastly, Nat Green Eyes. You guys all rock so much. For anybody who wants to join the movement and become a part of the Individuals Inner Circle, be sure to sign up on our website for free at individualsclub.com, and you'll also receive a free gift. We're also on Instagram at Individuals Club, and be sure to join our Individuals Club Facebook group, which is growing really fast. I'll be sure to put the link in the description below for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you dug it, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit the notifications button to be alerted when I drop my next video. And until then, I will see you guys very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka, brah.